Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion, and from today we will discuss the literature portion. Dear students, I have already completed 2 chapters in English grammar and 1 chapter from Honeysuckle book and 1 chapter from supplementary reader. Dear students, today we will discuss the textbook, the Honeysuckle, and we will discuss the second chapter of this book, that is how the dog found himself a new master. Dear students, this is the story of a dog. Dear students, in this story we will read that there is a dog who was searching a master. He wanted to become the servant of a master who can protect him. Dear students, why did the dog want to serve a master? Dear students, he wanted to live in the company of a master because he was tired of his life. He was bored of his life. And he was also frightened of those animals who were stronger than him. Therefore, he wanted to take the shelter of a master under whom he could live peacefully. Dear students, in the story we will read that in the beginning, first of all, he accepted a wolf as a master. Then after, he changed that master and a bear became his master. And after that, a lion became his master. But he also left the company of lion because he understood that the lion is also fearing with the presence of man. And dear students, from that time, a dog is the loyal servant of master. Man. A dog is the loyal servant of man from that time. Dear students, this is a very small view story. I am just telling you. And now we will discuss the story in detail that is given in the textbook. Everyone just open the page number 17, chapter 2. It is given at the page number 17. Now we will discuss the story in detail one by one. Each lines we will discuss also with explanation. Dear students, just open the book, page number 17. And dear students, there are 10 paragraphs in this story, in this chapter. Dear students, now just see the first paragraph. Dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with his way of life. Dear students, in the first paragraph it is written, dogs were once their own master. In the beginning, the story starts with these lines that in the beginning the dogs were free from surveillance. Dogs were living his life alone. He was not the servant of anyone in the beginning. And dogs were once their own master. He was his own master and lived the way wolves do. As a wolf used to live in freedom, the dogs were also living in freedom. But what happened? Until the dog was born who was ill-pleased. But he was very ill-pleased. Ill-pleased means unhappy. Ill-pleased means not happy. Ill-pleased. Ill-pleased. Ill-pleased means not happy. Ill-pleased means not happy. Okay, students. who was ill pleased with his way of life. It means the dogs were not happy with their life. They were ill pleased, they were unhappy with their life. Why? He was sick and tired of wandering. Wandering means to move one place to another place without any kind of aim. But here, he was sick. Sick means unwell. He was not feeling well. He was feeling bored. And he was sick and tired of wandering. And the dog wanted to make his master because he was tired of his life. And he was tired and sick of wandering about himself looking for food. He was tired of his life that he has to search the food, as well as being frightened of those who were stronger than him. And he was also frightened of those animals who were stronger than him. Therefore, he was bored. He was tired of his life. Therefore, he wanted to leave. Therefore, he wanted to make a master. Therefore, he was searching for a master. And now see, students, and looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. And he was also frightened of those animals who were stronger than him. Okay, students, it is given in the first paragraph that in the beginning dogs were his own master. He was also living in freedom, but he was tired of his life. He was bored with his life because he has to wander from one place to another place in search of food. And he was also frightened of those animals who were stronger than him. That's why now he will search a master. Now come to the second paragraph. Dear students, come to the second paragraph. He thought it over and he thought a lot about this problem. What was his problem? His problem was that he has to wander in search of food. He has to frightened. He was also frightened. He was also fearing with those animals who were stronger than him. This was the problem of dogs. Therefore, he thought it over and decided. And now he decided, the dogs decided. What decided? The best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. Therefore, the dogs were decided. The dogs were decided that they will become the servant of one who is the strongest creature on this earth. Because the dogs were tired of his life, because they has to move from one place to another place in search of food. They were also frightened of those animals who were stronger than him. Therefore, he decided to live as a servant in the company of one who is the strongest creature on this earth. Okay, students? And he set out. Set out means started. Now, just see here, set out. Set out means started. Set out means started. Just see. And he started to find a master. Now, he started to find a master because he decided, because the dog decided to make a master under whom he could live peacefully, under whom he could protect himself. Okay, students? Come to the third paragraph. Now, he walked and walked. Walked and walked. For what he was walking? he was walking, he walked and walked in the search of the master. Okay, he walked and he met a kinsman. Kinsman means relative. Dear students, just see the meaning of kinsman. Kinsman means relative. Relatives. Okay, kinsman. Just here. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf. Who was to whom he met? He met an animal, that is a wolf, who was as strong as he was fierce. And he was strong. The wolf was strong because he was frightened of him. He was looking stronger than him. Therefore, he was offering him for service. Now see, a big wolf was as strong as he fears. It means when he started his journey for searching the master, in the beginning, he met with a kinsman. And who was he? He was a wolf and he was stronger also. Therefore, he was asking, where are you going? And the wolf was asking to the dog that the wolf was asking what? Where are you going, dog? The wolf was asking to the dog that where is he going? Where the dog is going? Then I am looking for someone who take up service with. And the dog replied. The dog gave the answer to the wolf that he was searching a master to whom he could give the service, to whom he could provide service. Would you like to be my master, wolf? And he also offered, the dog also offered the wolf to become his master. Okay, students? Here in the beginning, he offered a wolf to become his master. Now, the dog asked that, would you like to be my master? The dog asked to the wolf. Then the wolf replied, why not? Why not? The wolf said. The wolf said that, why not? It means the wolf is ready to become his master. Okay? And this agreed upon. And both were agree with each others. And the two of them went on together. Now both are walking together. Okay? The two of them went on together. Now both are walking together. Both are going on the way together. Come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 4. Dear students, if you have any kind of confusion, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask. You can mention in the comments. If there is any kind of difficult word, you can also ask. Okay, students. So in the paragraph number 3, we have read that he met with a kinsman. Who was that? He was a wolf. And he also offered the wolf that to become his master. And the wolf accepted his proposal. And now both are going on the way together. Now come to the paragraph number 4. They walked and they walked. Now both are walking together. They walked and walked, and all of a sudden wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Now what happened? Come to the next paragraph number 4. Just here, both the dog and the wolf were walking side by side, and all of sudden means suddenly, all of sudden the wolf lifted his nose. Now the wolf lifted his nose because he sniffed means draw up air, सूंघना, and the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, and darted quickly means ran quickly, because he realized that, the wolf realized that something is dangerous at that place. And the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed means draw up air, and darted means run, darted quickly means ran quickly of the path. And it means now when he realized the dangerous thing at that place, then he darted quickly, he ran quickly up the path. It means he left the path on which he was going, and he left the path and into the bushes. Now the wolf ran into the bushes and crept deeper. Crept means, just write down here, crept, move slowly, crept. Crept slowly and carefully. Slowly and carefully. क्रिप्ट मीन्स रेंग कर चलना, यानी धीरे धीरे चलना, छुपके से चलना, चोरी से चलना. एंड नाउ सी हियर, नाउ darted quickly off the path and into the bushes. Now the wolf ran into the bushes and crept deeper. And crept deeper means move slowly and carefully in deeper, in the dense forest, deeper into the forest. Now the wolf was also frightened, and because of some dangerous things, because of presence of some strong animal, that is bear. You will read the next. Now see, bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. Now the dog was surprised that what happened with my master. The dog was surprised because the wolf ran very quickly from that place after sniffing something, after realizing some dangerous thing at that place. Now the dog was much surprised. He was amazed that what happened with his master. Why did he run? Now the dog was asking to the wolf that, what's come over you, master? What is the problem? What happened with you, master? The dog was asking to the wolf that what happened with him. He asked. Who asked? The dog asked to the wolf that what happened with him. Why did he run away? Why did he run away from that place? What has frightened you so? And the dog also asked to the wolf that what has frightened you. You are a stronger creature on this earth, and still you are frightened with something, with someone. Then the wolf replied, can't you see? You did not see. The wolf replied, the wolf said to the dog that you did not see. There was a bear. There was a bear out there, and he might eat both of us. And the wolf said that there was a bear and he could eat both of us, me as well as you. The wolf said that, bear, there was a bear. You didn't see, I think. You didn't see. The wolf said that you did not see. There was a bear and he can eat both of us. You and me. It means the bear can eat the wolf as well as the dog. Okay, students. Now in this paragraph, the dog realized that his master wolf is not the strongest creature on this earth, and he was fearing with the bear. Okay, students. Now come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 5. Okay, student, just see the page number 18, exercise paragraph number 5. Just see, seeing that the bear was stronger than wolf. Now the dog realized that the bear was stronger than wolf. The dog realized that the bear was stronger than wolf because at the presence of bear, the wolf ran away. It means the wolf is fearing to the bear. The dog decided to take up service with him. Now, the dog decided to take up the service with him, and he left the wolf. Now, he decided to make his master, to make the wolf, to make the bear as a master, and now he also decided to leave the company of wolf because he understood that the bear is the strongest creature. Okay, students, in the beginning he thought that wolf is the strongest creature on this earth, but when he saw that the wolf ran away, after getting the realization, or after realizing the presence of bear, he ran away. Then the dog decided to give the service to the bear. Now the dog decided to live in the company of bear. Now the dog decided to make his master a bear. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. And now the dog also asked to the bear to become his master. The bear agreed to this readily. Now the bear agreed to this readily. Readily means easily. Readily. Okay? Readily means easily. Now the bear very easily he accepted his proposal to become the master of dog. Okay? The bear agreed to this readily. It means the bear is agree to become the master of dog. Okay, students, turn the page, come to the page number 19, and said, let us go and find the herd of cows. Herd, the collective nouns. Herd means group, here group of cattle. Now see, let us go. Now the bear offered him, the bear said to the dog that let us go and find the herd of cows. Now the bear and the dog were going for the search of prey, in the search of food. Now let us go and find the herd of cows. I'll kill a cow. And the bear was saying that he will kill a cow. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fields. And then both the dog and bear will eat that place of cows, and they will fill means here food, meal, and fill means food, you can say. Now I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fields. Eat our fields means eat our food. Okay, students. Now bear and dogs were going in the search of food, and the bear said that he will kill a cow, and then after both bear and dog will eat the flesh of cow, and in this way they will satisfy their hunger. Okay, students. So in this way we have completed up to the paragraph number 5. Dear students, up to this paragraph we have read there in the beginning. The dog was living his life in freedom, but he was tired with his life. Therefore he wanted to make a master who is the strongest creature on this earth. And in the beginning he accepted a wolf as a master, but he realized after a few days that the wolf is not strongest creature on this earth. Then he changed his master, and then after he accepted a wolf as a master. Okay, and now both are going in the search of food, and up to this it is given, up to paragraph number 5 it is given. In the next paragraph we will read that he will also leave the company of bear, then he will take the shelter of lion, then man. Okay, student, in the next class we will discuss the paragraph number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, students, so that's all for today. If you have any kind of confusion you can ask. Okay, student, that's all for today. Thank you.